Mothers of the Wild. In this chapter, we will see the love of mother in different ways. As our mothers love and takes care of us, similarly, the mothers of animals also takes care of their babies. Let's read the chapter to find out how they protect their young ones. Baby animals are born in all kinds of places, caves, burrows, or nests. Wherever it may be, the animal mother knows exactly how to keep her babies safe. The animal babies are born in different places such as caves, burrows, nests, etc. But wherever the place may be, their mother finds out all the possible way to keep their babies safe from enemies. Hares keep their babies safe and hidden under a blanket on the ground. A hare's nest looks like a grassy patch, but it is made of wisps of grass and the mother hare's own fur. She keeps the baby hares tucked under this quilt. She lifts it only to feed them. Every time she leaves her babies, she pulls the soft warm covering over them. So first we will see how a hare keeps their babies safe. The mother hare makes a blanket on the ground with grass and its fur, and they hide their babies inside. They put their babies in a nest to keep them warm and safe and only removes this blanket when it's time to feed them. Whenever they have to go outside leaving their babies alone, do you know what they do? They pull the blankets or quilts over them again to cover them. Pocket nurseries. A mother kangaroo has a pouch in her body to hold and carry baby kangaroos. Baby kangaroos learn to hop along next to their mothers. If an enemy comes, the baby jumps straight into its mother's pouch. The mother now uses special muscles to pull it shut. Then she takes the baby away to a safe place. So here we learn about a kangaroo. A kangaroo's mother has a large pocket in her body where she carries her baby. The mother teaches the baby to jump and move so that if any enemy comes to harm them, they can jump into their mother's pouch and protect themselves. And after they jump inside, the mother uses its special muscles to cover them, and later on she takes her baby away to a safer place. Nests and cradles. Many animal mothers do not have ready-made nurseries for their babies. So they make many kind of nests and dens to keep them safe. A mother gorilla makes a tree cradle of leafy branches. The father watches this cradle from his shelter at the bottom of a nearby tree. So there are many animals who do not have ready-made places for their babies, and so they have to make nests, dens, etc. to keep them safe inside. The mother of a baby gorilla uses the leafy branches of trees to make her baby's bed. That means the cradle. And whenever the mother is not nearby, its father keeps a watch at its baby from his shelter. A mother polar bear digs a tunnel in the snow. At the end of the tunnel, she makes her babies a cub room. As the polar bears live in a snowy areas, so the mother of a polar bear digs a long narrow path under the ground or under the snow, and they make a room for her baby at the end of that tunnel to protect it from danger. Animals at school. Some animal mothers have to teach their babies many things. For example, baby seals have to learn to swim, and the mother seal pushes her young ones into the water. As we learn many things in our schools from our teachers, the animals too learn several things from their parents who are also teachers for them. For example, it is necessary for a baby seal to know swimming. So its mother pushes her baby into the water so that it does not depend on its mother and learn to survive by itself. Otters play a trick on their babies. The mother swims out into the stream with the baby on her back. Suddenly, she dives under the water and the baby has to swim with its mother close by. In order to teach swimming to an otter, its mother plays certain tricks. That is, they act in a cunning way. At first, the mother swims with her baby on its back and suddenly she goes down the water. Now, as the baby becomes afraid that it will die, so it is bound to swim along with its mother. And in this way, they learn swimming. Kittens must become mouse catchers naturally. A mother cat boxes her baby's ears for its slowness or for not paying attention to her. As we know, cats feed on mice. So it is important for a kitten to know the tricks of catching its prey. The kittens learn this from their mothers. And when they don't pay attention, their mother hits the baby lightly on the side of its head for being very slow. Many animal mothers play games to teach their young ones skills. A lion twitches the tip of her tail, making her children pounce on it as if it were a prey. A raccoon flips frogs and fish for her young ones to catch. Some of the mothers try to teach their babies by playing games with them. Like a lion twitches, that means moves the tip of her tail and makes her baby jump on it quickly as if it was catching a prey. A raccoon throws frogs and fish into the air and teaches its baby to catch them as its prey. Moving the family. Often, animal mothers need to move their babies to places of safety. Squirrel mothers often decide to leave an old weak tree before a storm. The mother grips the babies by their stomach fur with her teeth and moves them to a new and safer place. When a bear has to shift her cub, she holds its whole head in her mouth. She is very gentle and does not harm the baby. A mother's love and care keeps her babies warm and safe. As the baby animals cannot protect themselves, so their mothers moves their baby and takes them to a safer place. For example, when it's time for storm to occur, the squirrels decide to leave an old weak tree because there are chances of the tree falling down, and they go to a safer place. With the help of their teeth, the mother squirrel holds their babies tightly by their stomach and takes them away to a safer place. Similarly, a bear holds the entire head of its baby into her mouth when she has to move along with her baby to a new place. So, in this chapter, we saw how the mothers protect and love their babies in different ways. They always try to be gentle and careful so that none can cause any harm to them.